Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you exactly how I'm making this device, and this device is actually a radar. So what you're seeing right now is this is right here is a supersonic sensor, right? And here we have what's detecting what it's detecting, obviously, as it goes between an angle, and it's showing you also what the distance is. So what you're seeing right now is once an object comes in the sensor, it's going to highlight red and it's also showing the distance. So here, for example, I'm going to put my hand in front of the sensor, and it's going to be showing right here that it's sensing an object. So how to make it? Okay, so setting up this whole structure right here, this small portion, it's right here is your servo connected onto one of the wings that are usually coming with a package of the servo. And this is just a piece of cardboard just to hold the wires in place, and also to be able to display what's going on. And just to do that, you would construct a square. So that I constructed a rectangular prism in order to hold my supersonic sensor, and underneath I also cut in a rectangle so that my wires could go through and connect to the breadboard. And also the bottom would take care of itself if you attach the prism to the servo and let it rotate by then. What you're gonna need, right, is some male to female jumper wires and also some male to male. You're also gonna need your Arduino Uno or even an Elegoo, a breadboard, and a servo, and most importantly, your supersonic sensor. So first off, you're going to set up your board. You're gonna have your Arduino sensor right here and your breadboard. So first thing you want to connect right here is we're gonna have 3 jumper wires. It's gonna be here on 12, 11, and 10. I'm going to represent 12 with a yellow, 11 with a green, and 10 with a blue. What you're gonna do is gonna connect your 12 onto what seems to be H26. Nextly, you're going to connect 11 to H29 and 10 to G28. Now that we have that, we can't forget our power, so we're gonna connect our red wire to the 5V slot right here. And also we're gonna connect our black wire to the ground. These two are gonna go right here onto this row right here, which is relatively close to the 13th and 14th row. And lastly, we're gonna need to connect our servo onto the breadboard. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna connect our servo, respectively black, red, and white, onto certain areas. So we're gonna connect our red one onto the negative and the red one to the positive, and the white one is gonna go onto the general area. More specifically, it's gonna go on J26. So once we have that down, we're gonna be putting a certain code that can be found on the link below, and we're gonna be putting this code. Once we have this code, we're gonna be also translating this onto another source right here, and we're gonna be putting a different code, which I'll also put. So here we have again, here's our servo, our sensor, our radar, and the purpose is to detect exactly what's going on. Again, just for demonstration, here you go. Thank you.